Hey guys, welcome to my channel Makeup Simplified. Today is going to be a step-by-step tutorial for Rakshabandhan. I'm so glad that we have this Rakshabandhan festival. I hope you guys get to spend some time with your brothers, and if not, at least FaceTime them. In this tutorial today, we're not doing any eyeshadow, so you can create this look in less than 10-15 minutes. So let's dive into this look right away.
Let's start with our eye makeup, guys. We're not using eyeshadow, but I'm applying concealer to match my skin color. I've used the MERCIER Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in shade 3W. I'll set the concealer with loose setting powder. This is to even out your skin on the lids to match rest of your face in the final look. Next, I'm shaping my eyebrows just to fill in any sparse areas with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in neutral medium brown. I like the brown shade so my brows look more natural. Black eyebrow pencil can sometimes actually make your eyebrows look fake. I'm directly jumping onto the eyeliner next. While applying eyeliner, keep your eye as relaxed as possible to prevent any creases in the liner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner over here, and I will start at the outer corner and draw the line towards the outer tip of your eyebrow. Go as long or short as you like, and work your way inwards to complete the winged eyeliner. Don't drag the liner on your eyelid as it can pull and tug on the delicate skin of the eyelid. Keep as gentle pressure as possible. Don't worry if there are any mishaps, as pretty much all of it can be corrected using micellar water. As you go inwards towards the eye, move the pen so the tip of the pen faces your lid to gradually make the line thinner as you reach the inner eye. Fill in the gaps to create a bold black winged eyeliner. Now comes the important step. We are going with a pencil eyeliner, Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in shade Chaos, on the waterline. Go a little thicker on the outer corner of your eyes and thinner as you approach the inner corner. And keep applying it till you get a nice vibrant color on the waterline. Now for this next step, use a very sharp eyeliner pencil so you can get as precise a line as you can. I'm using the same eyeliner by Urban Decay in the shade Chaos to outline my previous winged eyeliner. If there's any mix-over during this time, it's okay, as you can fix that later too. You could also do the blue eyeliner first. I just prefer my liquid eyeliner to give me a precise shape than with a pencil. Using the black liquid eyeliner, I'm correcting the eyeliner shape to give it the final touch. I'm going to quickly apply my Fenty Beauty KILLAWATT highlighter under my brow bone to finish my eye look. I'll finish this whole look with some mascara by L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Lash Mascara in Blackest Black. Remember the rolling motion to get nice curl and volume to the lashes. Next, I'll be applying my color corrector by TILLBURY in shade medium. Use a creamy blendable color corrector of your choice to cover gray shadows under the eyes. I'm also applying the same color corrector around my lips. I'm also applying color corrector around my nose where you see some shadows. I'm going to blend this well with my fingertips, which helps to warm the product to make it easier to blend. You can follow this with the concealer, but I'm going to wait to apply my concealer towards the end. Now instead of the primer, I'm going with my MAC Strobe cream in Gold Light all over my face for that glow from within look. A good dupe for this would be the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade GLEAM. Follow this with a foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in shade 104 and blending it using a beauty blender. Now you'll wonder why I'm using a matte foundation here. This is to reduce the overall shine on my face since we are going to use a highlighter later. If I were to use a dewy foundation, then my face would look very shiny and oily rather than glowy since I've used the MAC Strobe cream below it. So this is just to help balance things out a little bit. Let's go ahead with the bronzer. This one by HOURGLASS in shade Nude Bronze adds the perfect warmth to my skin without making it look too dark. Go right below the cheekbone and blend it well. Also apply on the forehead where the sun naturally hits it. Let's fake some sharp jawline by placing the same bronzer right under your jawline, blending it really well. Using the Fenty Beauty KILLAWATT highlighter in Mean Money, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, the tip and bridge of my nose. I'll apply the blush next, which is also by Fenty Beauty. It's called the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in Rose Latte and blend it with a beauty blender for a natural flush. You can either use this MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighter or the same Fenty highlighter I used before for an intense glow on the high points of my cheeks. Also apply it on the Cupid's bow to get some highlighted lips. I recently started applying my concealer after my blush for a seamless blend. I seem to like it better. Next comes the ColourPop lip liner, which is a brownish shade. Outline your lips and apply slightly on the edges of the lips as well. Follow this with the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in shade Spanked. It's a dusty rose shade which looks fantastic on olive or Indian skin tone. The creamy formula keeps lips hydrated for hours, and it's 50% off on Sephora, so check it out. Next up is the fake lashes by Ardell in Demi Wispies, which is a completely optional step. I'm wearing these pretty oxidized jhumka earrings with a white chicken curry dress, which is a timeless classic. I love wearing breezy kurtis and dresses during summer. They are so comfortable.
Let me know in the comments below what other festive looks you would like me to create on my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at make.up.simplified. If you create any of the looks that I've shown on my channel, please tag me with the hashtag makeoverbycash. I would really love to see all your looks. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Also, share all my videos with your friends and family. Enjoy your Rakshabandhan, guys. Bye!